This steering wheel promises to transform your Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat into a true race car cockpit. But can it deliver on that bold claim? We're diving into the Iancu customized leather carbon fiber LED steering wheel, designed specifically for the 2008 to 2024 Challenger SRT Hellcat series. Right out of the box, the craftsmanship is immediately apparent. The combination of genuine leather and carbon fiber feels premium, and the overall aesthetic screams performance. It's not just about looks, though. The integrated LED lighting adds a futuristic touch that really elevates the interior. Imagine those subtle glowing accents during a night drive. It's a game changer for the car's ambience. Now, let's talk about the fit and finish. While it's designed for the Challenger, the product description mentions universal fit type, which is a bit confusing. However, the car maker, compatible with Dodge and model name, SRT, strongly suggests it's tailored for this specific platform. The grip size is listed at 35 cm, which feels substantial and comfortable in hand, offering a more direct connection to the road. The materials used, carbon fiber, genuine leather, and resin, are all top-notch, promising durability and a luxurious feel. The installation process is where things get a little less straightforward. The instructions suggest locating a GM dealer, independent service center, or body shop for proper installation. This implies it's not a simple DIY job and might require professional expertise, which is something potential buyers should be aware of. It's listed as a GM-recommended replacement part, which is interesting given it's for a Dodge, but likely refers to the quality standards they adhere to. The stylish aspect is undeniable. This isn't just a steering wheel. It's an interior upgrade kit designed to make your driving experience more pleasant and your car stand out. The sports and customized design style is evident, and the packing in a carton box with foam suggests they're taking care to protect the product during transit. The OEM/ODM support is also a plus for those looking for even more personalization. The company offers a 24-month guarantee service, which is reassuring. They emphasize quality and encourage contacting them if there are any issues with the product or installation, promising a 24-hour response time. This level of customer support is crucial for a high-value, customized automotive part. Overall, the Iancu steering wheel for the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat appears to be a high-quality, visually striking upgrade. It brings a racing-inspired feel to the cabin with its premium materials and integrated LED lighting. While the installation might require professional help, the potential for a significantly enhanced driving environment and a standout interior is very high. It's a serious statement piece for any Hellcat owner looking to push their car's interior to the next level.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.